Athirappilly, the most enchanting place, is a scenic waterfall, also called as Niagara of India. It is a 82 feet high waterfall with a breathtaking view of water crashing onto rock floor, leaves everyone astounded. Waterfall and Athirappilly waterfall are the part of Chalapudi river and are located on Western Ghats and are famous not only for scenic beauty but also for endemic species of hornbill. Athirappilly wildlife includes animals like Indian elephants, Bengal tigers, leopards, bisons, gaur, sambar, spotted deer, langur, macaque, and many more. The bird life of Athirappilly is very rich and has all four species of hornbills, that is Indian grey hornbill, great hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill and Malabar pied hornbill. And Athirappilly is an important IBA, important bird area identified by Bird International, having its headquarters at Cambridge in UK. Flora of Athirappilly includes n number of flowering plants, teakwood, jackfruit, mango, eucalyptus, bamboo and many more are present here. Daily jungle safari trips are organized by Thrissur District Tourism Promotion Council from Chalapudi to Malkapara. So guys, tighten your seatbelts and get ready to have a mesmerizing landing in the midst of greenery with the song of birds, music of wild animals, singing of the lullaby by forest trees and sound of power of water. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the one and only Athirappilly waterfalls. Stay tuned with our channel, JC Media, taking you ahead.